We are big fans of mac and cheese around here. This version is simple and quick to make. Serve it as a stovetop mac and cheese or bake it. It's up to you. Cook your pasta according to the package directions, but cook it a minute less than the package calls for. Drain and then set aside. Cheese that's been grated by hand melts into the sauce much better than the pre-shredded bags. I'm grating 1 pound of sharp white cheddar. Melt 5 tablespoons of butter in a large pot on the stove. When it is melted and bubbling, scatter 5 tablespoons of flour over it. Whisk the butter and flour around the pan until they smell toasted and look light brown. Then pour in 5 cups of warmed milk. Continue to cook, making sure to stir the sauce until it simmers and thickens. As always, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. Turn the heat to low and then stir in the cheddar cheese. I do this in batches. Now that the cheddar is in, we add 4 ounces of cream cheese. This is optional, but it makes the sauce ultra creamy and delicious. Throw in a half teaspoon each of salt and pepper, then stir in the cooked pasta. At this point, you can bake the mac and cheese, or if you plan to serve it as a stovetop version, cover the pot with a lid and allow the pasta some time to absorb some of that creamy sauce. 5 minutes should do it. And that's it. Ultra creamy, extra cheesy macaroni and cheese. As always, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.